my beautiful sexy Lexi babes. Today we will be making a caramel galaxy nude clear gloss, and right now you see me cleaning our area because we all know cleanliness is close to godliness. So before we start, you're going to need 2 plastic bowls, some vitamin E oil, some flavoring oil, and a flathead spatula. You're also going to need some lip gloss base, and then we're going to get ready to pour that into the container. So here what you're seeing me doing is pouring my vitamin E oil into this plastic bowl, and then I'm also going to add my pigment powder to the oil because I just feel like it mixes well better when I pour the powder into the oil and then put it into the lip gloss base. It just mixes better that way. As you can see, it started to make this beautiful bronze looking caramel color that I wanted to get, and I'm loving it. Are you loving it? Because I'm loving it. So now I'm going to get ready to pour this beautiful gold caramel bronze color into the lip gloss base and just watch what happens. Just watch how beautiful it looks. Do you see how much easier it is to do it this way? How it just automatically just turns into the color that you need it to be, and it's just perfect. It's just so much easier this way. You really want to make sure that you mix this pigment all throughout the lip gloss base so that it's consistent all around. The key to a great lip gloss is mixing, mixing, mixing. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of brown pigment powder just because I wanted it to get a little bit darker, but I noticed that it really didn't make a difference, so yeah. Now I'm going to add this caramel apple scented flavoring oil that I got from Get Suckered that I also got off Amazon. And just a side note, everything that I use in this video, I'm going to link in the description down below. Now it's time to fill the syringe with the lip gloss base I just created. As you can see here, I taped the pipette to the syringe so that I wouldn't have any issues filling up the tubes. This really helps make everything easier. Mine looks a little ratchet. I apologize for that. I tried to do it while I had my nails on, so that made it a little bit harder than normal. So here I am squeezing this lip gloss base that I just created into my squeeze tubes. And as you can see, I am doing the squeeze method. If you are unsure of what that is, you basically just squeeze a little gloss in the tube and then squeeze the tube itself with your thumb so that the gloss can reach both corners. Also, make sure when you are squeezing lip gloss into the tube that you're doing it slowly, because that prevents you from getting bubbles into your gloss. Keep in mind that filling the tubes can be the most messiest part of lip gloss making, so make sure you be careful when you are filling the tubes. And as you can see, this gloss is given like a galaxy gold color. That's why I named it Caramel Galaxy on my website. So check it out at www.sexylexyinc.com. Now I'm filling my wand tubes. With the wand tubes, you want to make sure that you don't fill it past the line at the top of the cap of the gloss, because if you do, the stopper will not let you put the wand stick inside of the lip gloss and it won't close. So you make sure that you stop at the line, or at least a little bit before the line, because when you stick the wand tube in there, the lip gloss is going to rise. And now we're finally done. Here are the beautiful glosses with labels. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new. Be sure to subscribe and leave any helpful feedback down below. And also make sure you visit www.sexylexyinc.com.